cat and dog out there.
Wait, cats and dog? Where? I don't want to get scratched.
No, it just means it's raining heavily, not casual at all.
Oh, I took it literally.
Sometimes, literal translation can be funny or misunderstood. Let's learn what literal translation is.
Hi everyone, my name is Anes Petrus.
And I'm Gaby. In this video, we will explain a simple translation called literal translation.
Jadi kita akan menjelaskan dengan mudah dan jelas serta memberikan contoh-contoh yang menarik.
What is literal translation?
Literal translation is a word-for-word translation that sticks closely to the source text structure.
According to Nida and Deber, 1982, literal translation is the process of translating each word without changing its grammatical structure or meaning.
This translation is suitable for simple sentences, but it's not always effective when translating idiom or cultural expression.
Game time.
Alright, now let's play a little guessing game with you all. We will show you some English sentences and we want you to guess a literal translation in your mind.
So I will give you the literal translation out loud after a short pause. Then Gabby will tell us whether the meaning still makes sense or not. Ready? Let's go!
I have cold feet.
Aku punya kaki dingin.
No, correct literally, but it actually means I'm nervous. Literal translation misses the idiomatic meaning. Break a leg.
Patahkan kakimu.
No, that's literal, but it really means good luck. It's a common idiom. She sing beautifully.
Dia bernyanyi dengan indah.
Correct, but and literally and contextually. This one worked well. The test was a piece of cake.
Tesnya adalah sepotong kue.
No, it actually means the test was very easy. Keep your eyes on the ball.
Jaga matamu di bola.
No, it means to stay focused. I'm feeling under the weather.
Aku merasa di bawah cuaca.
No, it means you're feeling sick. He runs every morning.
Dia berlari setiap pagi.
That's right, literal and accurate. Close the window, please.
Tutup jendela ya, tolong.
Yes, literal translation work fine here.
Challenges and tips.
So, as we've seen, literal translation can give us correct result if the sentence is simple and direct. But
When the sentence includes idiom, slang, or cultural expression, literal translation may not work. It can sound strange or even completely wrong.
that's why it is important to understand not just the words, but also the meaning and the context.
In other words, literal translation is useful starting point, but it's not always the final solution. Although literal translation can be helpful in translating simple and direct sentences, it also has several limitations that beginners need to be aware of.
Yes, one of the biggest challenges is when the source language use idioms, metaphors, or culturally specific expressions. Translating them word for word can lead to misinterpretation or even confuse.
For example, the idiom kick the bucket literally means menendang ember in Indonesian, but the actual meaning is to die. This shows that not all expression can be translated literally.
Here are some helpful tips when using literal translation. Number 1, use it only for grammatical simple and clear sentences. Number 2, Avoid literal translation for idioms, slang, and figurative language. But number 3, always check the context. Don't just rely on dictionaries word for word. And number 4, when in doubt, try to understand the overall meaning before interpreting.
Remember, literal translation is a tool, but not always the best one for every situation. So, that's all about literal translation. We hope this help you start your translation journey.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa belajar dengan konteks, bukan hanya kata. See you!